Hey everyone, this is Seth, your detail doc. I'm going to explain to you guys what Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra is today. Crystal Serum Ultra is a 9-year guaranteed ceramic coating by Gtechniq, and you have to be accredited by Gtechniq to install the coating. It is a professional grade ceramic coating, and what that means is we just have to go through some training and some basic guidelines with Gtechniq in order to purchase and install the coating. What Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra is, it's a 9-year guaranteed coating, and like I said, with the guarantee, all that means is after the coating's installed, you bring it in for periodic inspection washes on it. You know, every 6 to 12 months, you'll just bring the vehicle back, we'll do the inspection on it, and we can make sure we get you that guarantee on the coating. What Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra is going to give to you, it's going to give you some scratch resistance. It comes with a 10H hardness, and what that means is it's going to be more difficult for you to induce swirl marks and scratches in it. It's not scratch proof, you can still scratch any coating. So you're going to have some scratch resistance with Crystal Serum Ultra. You're going to have protection from bug etchings, bird poop etchings, some water spot resistance in there, chemical staining, chemical burns, and UV fading too. Gtechniq Crystal Serum is going to offer you all that protection from those from the elements there. And essentially what Ultra is it forms a layer of protection on top of your clear coat. As you can see here, this is what it looks like. You know, you have your primer, your color coat, and then your clear coat, and then on top we have our Crystal Serum Ultra or any other ceramic coating. This is what you would look like without a coating. Just like that, you'd have your primer, color, and clear coat, and then really you can just get scratches right in your clear coat, just like that. And then we'd have to take, you know, one of our polishers like this Rupes over here, and then we'd polish out the scratches. And then we could put on, this is what it's going to look like, Gtechniq, you know, Crystal Serum Ultra or any of our other coatings. Then you're going to have protection on top of your clear coat. And then it's going to be, it's going to be harder for you to scratch and mar the surface because it has the 10H hardness. And then if you get a scratch in the coating, we can just simply polish off the coating and we don't have to, you know, take off anything of the clear coat. And same thing with like the bug etchings and the bird poop etchings. With the coating, first off, it's going to be easier for you to wash off the coating, the bird poop and the bugs in the first place. So it reduces the chance of you even getting an etching. But like we said, you can still scratch a coating, you can still damage a coating. So if you were to get an etching into the coating, simply put, we can just take one of our polishers and polish off a little layer of the coating. We're not going to be hurting the coating because we're only taking a thin layer off the coating. Polish off the etching, and then we can reapply the coating to top it off again, and then you're good to go, right on your way, and you're not damaging the paint system. Paint systems are typically the most expensive part of your vehicle anyways. That's why it's very important to protect it. And we can just go through a basic overview of Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra again. Comes with a 9-year guarantee, some scratch resistance in there to reduce swirl marks and scratches in the paint, protection from bird poop, bug etchings, bird poop etchings, makes washing and maintaining the vehicle so much easier. It's so much easier to wash a coated vehicle. We get the compliment all the time. Wow, it's so easy to wash a coated vehicle. So having a ceramic coating, especially Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra, makes washing and maintaining the vehicle so much easier for you. Saves you so much time. You don't have to use wax anymore. You don't have to go to the detail shop to use, you know, their wash and wax service. You know, you just put the coating on. Come in for some periodic maintenance and inspection washes, and then you're good to go. Comes with a 9-year guarantee where you're just coming in for the inspection washes, protection from you know UV rays and fading too as well. So you're not going to have your paint starting to dull out. It's going to keep your vehicle looking newer for longer, keep the shine, look extremely glossy and shiny, and be easier for you guys to maintain and wash. Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra is one of our most popular ceramic coatings because it is one of the best values and one of the best coatings that are on the market. You know, it comes with a 9-year guarantee. It's one of the best coatings, thick, durable layer protection on top of your clear coat, and that's why it's one of our most popular ceramic coatings. If you guys would be interested in Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra, or have any questions or concerns, you know, you can give me a call at 989-244-0505. Our shop is located in Bay City, Michigan. We are Gtechniq accredited. If you guys aren't sure of the ceramic coating you guys would be interested in, or you guys want some more information about our services, I'm going to drop a little link in the description. I'm just going to ask you to fill out a form about basic information about your vehicle: make, model, year, color, the condition of it, how long you plan on keeping the vehicle for. Gives me a basic idea of what I'm working with, and we can get you on your way to getting Crystal Serum Ultra or any of our other ceramic coatings. And if you guys want to fill that out, if you guys have any questions or concerns, make sure to feel free to contact me. Thank you guys very much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and thank you guys. Have a great day.